Well, today, haven't said that in a while. We're just going to do a quick little video, try to get back into the routine of this here YouTube bit. We're going to start off by showing you this here smoker that Outlaw J built me. It's a nice one. Just want to brag a little bit about how good it is. Look at that Vandy plate. He thinks everything. Look, he said, you'll probably burn your wheels off. And so he made me a fender. And like any outlaw, crack them vents open a little bit, and she likes running right there at straight up 300. Now, you know, by now, I like the logo shelf instead of a logo plate. I think he done a mighty fine job right there. And so fine, he even made me a little cover to go on it so we don't get it dirty at them competitions. Now, he's thought of everything from these fancy little wheels right here to all these tie downs that when you don't want them wheels rolling, you can just strap her down. Now, the one big thing I really like about this smoker, I've got 3 full doors, so there's nothing getting in your way. And this 28 by 80 cooking grate right here, you got enough room to cook for you and a couple hundred of your friends. Let's get her locked down. Now I'm going to run behind her here and do my little awkward pose because this is my channel. I can be awkward if I want to be. And let's get on to a quick little meal. Alrighty, run down to Walmart's, grab some taters, cut them up, some frozen corn. Now, you got to hit it with your favorite barbecue rub. You do you. You know, I do me. Hit it with a couple them boxes of shrooms and a little kielbasa because you can't live on vegetables alone. Ain't that right, vegetarians? All right, hit it with a couple diced up jalapenos. And to make it a little bit unhealthy, how about a stick of butter? A little bit more of that there awesome rub and a couple poops of garlic. Now you can chop up your own, but we're making this simple. Here you go with some Worcestershire. And to get that low country boil taste going on, we're going to hit it with Old Bay. Since I bought lemons, why not throw them on there too? And off to the smoker we go. We're going to call this the low country smoke. Alrighty, just take her, throw her in there. We're going to let that run for about an hour and a half. Now grab you some water, about this much. Put in the juice of 1 lemon. Now, grab you this here Zatarain's crab boil. For the men, put the whole thing in that water. For the women, half it. Add your little Worcestershire sauce, because we love Worcestershire sauce. Give her a shake, and that's going to be her spritz. Alrighty, while you're at Walmart's, go to the frozen section. Get you some of these here crab legs. They were freshly frozen from Alaska. I don't know whether, anywho. Give them a little spritz with that good old tasty spritz, whatever anyway. Couple puffs of that Old Bay. And once again, your favorite barbecue seasoning. Now, we're not going to flavor the crab, we're going to flavor our fingers. And you'll realize it when you eat them while we put that rub on there. Stick those crabs on there for about 45-50 minutes. Alrighty, back inside. To make it more healthy, get you 3 sticks of butter, a couple more poops, there that garlic, couple puffs, couple slides. This is, I'm out of shape. Anywho, alrighty, while you're in the frozen, get some of this freshly frozen shrimp. Spritz it. Hit it with just the MOJO this time. We're going to sweeten these babies up. They're already sweet, but we're going to get a little help. Flip them. Do the same thing. Alrighty. Those are going to go on the smoker for probably about 20 minutes. And there you have it. A feast for the family. Well, this was just our Valentine's meal for me and the old lady. Or the wife or my lady friend. Or I don't know what to call her because she'll get mad if I call her all that. Anywho, give her another little spritz, a little sprinkle. Add that butter, because we love butter. And that's it. We're done. I'm tired. Alrighty. Maybe the doc won't put me on the DL for a while, and I'll be around for a little bit. I just want to let y'all know I appreciate you. And MOJO is out.